Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's day 4 of our SQL tips and tricks series. Today we are diving into a powerful technique to pivot data using case statements. This trick is incredibly useful for transforming rows into columns, which can be a game changer in reporting and data analysis. So what is pivoting? In simple terms, pivoting means converting data from a vertical format to a horizontal one. Imagine you have a table showing sales data from different products over several months. Pivoting allows you to transform this data so that each month becomes a column and each product remains a row, making it easier to see the monthly sell trends. So we will do the pivoting of the data using the case statement syntax. So let's move to SQL. Let's say you work for a company that tracks monthly sales of a different products. You have a table called sales with columns like, let me run the table so that it, it would be easier to understand. So yeah, you have a table called sales with columns like product, month and sales amount. So the objective is we have to pivot this data so we can see each product sell across months in a single row. Here is how can we achieve this using case statement. Let me write the query. Let's understand the query. So here the difficult part is I guess the sum part. This part of the query sums up sales amount for January and same as for February. The case statement checks if the month is January and if so, it includes the sales amount, otherwise it adds 0. Then the group by products. It groups the results by each product so that the sum of sales for each month is calculated separately for each product. So let's run the query. So yeah, we got our results. So these are some real world use cases of pivoting the data. Let's say you are an analyst at a retail store. You want to generate a report showing sales for each product across various months. So by pivoting your sales data, you can quickly identify trends such as which products are seasonal or which months should we generate the most revenue, like that. So that's it. And then here is a challenge. Try pivoting data for a different dimension like region or categories using the case statement. For example, pivot cells data by region to compare performances across different areas and share your results in the comments. Let's recap. So today we learned how to pivot data using case statements to turn rows into columns, making it easier to analyze and compare information. Don't forget to try the challenge and share your result in the comments. Tomorrow we will explore another SQL trick to enhance your data skills. See you then. Thank you.